And while you are waiting, oh, that looks beautiful now. Look. Oh my god. So that's my staple of the day. That's only my food, guys, without any rice, without any vegetable. And then later on, I'm gonna have some blueberries and loads. Don't forget to have loads of water, plenty of water, loads. It's a plenty of water to hydrate yourself. So that's my secret, losing my weights. And if you can do some exercise, yes, it's a big help for you, for your own benefits as well. But the most of all is food intake. 80% food intake.
Kung ganahan nyo ma-maintain yung mga lawas, kaon na mong daghan niya.
Why you speak Bisaya?
Bahala.
He's speaking Bisaya with our own mother tongue language. Who's your mother?
Ganahan ninyo ma-maintain ragid nyo weight. Kaon mong daghan, onya.
Tugo og dughan.
Pasingot mong dagko.
Yay. Pagkauno ni mula sila dagan. So that's the... duli lagi ko magpakita. Kamutra. Muna yung advice, guys. Si Chef... what's your name? Chef Jay. Oh, nanakingan. Chef Jay. Muna yung technique daw. Kaon og damo. Eat too much. And... exercise too much. But for me, eat less than 20% of exercise. So 80% of food intake, less carbs.
Plating.
And you will get what you want. And you feel like at the first is dizziness and everything is going on into your mind. It's blowing up, but you will see and you get the results. I just had only November, December, January, February, March.
Nakiluto naman siya, guys.
That's enough.
Wait lang ha.
So he's doing a plating at the moment. You have to wipe it out, that one. Then move, tidy up first. So I'm just helping. No, that's the chef does, JV. So he's now doing some. Dili lagi pakita na ko imo face does plating at the moment. It's not really, I don't know, but I'm trying to teach him how to do it, guys. Don't you worry. I love the oil, so don't be bothered with that. So that's it only. So from November, hello Anging Fi, paano sa mga pag-pronounce, how to pronounce? I'll give you a moderator. Yeah, guys, if you want to pin your link, so there's a button there to get some membership, so you can join us as well, and we can promote your channel. Yeah, and from November, December, January, February, March, April, May. So 6 months, guys. It's just only 1 kilo in a month, but I'm eating too much because I had my holidays for 60 days. So I think I drink a lot of alcohol as well, which is not part of my diet. Guys, that's the one. Not bad. No, I don't want any sauces. I told you that.
Plating naman na.
So, he's trying to learn stuff as a chef. See, yeah, that's good. So that's the basic one. It's from Canada. Thank you for watching from Canada. Anging Fe vlog. I think she is a Filipino. Are you Filipino? So guys,